Hi, what is going, guys? Me, Dustin here, and today I'm gonna be doing a $450 gaming PC, and this PC can handle any game out there at medium settings at 1080p, probably high, depends on which game. So without further ado, let's go with the processor. For the processor, went with a AMD Athlon A60K quad-core processor, clocked it up to 3.7 GHz. It's overclockable, and yeah, it's a pretty good processor for the money. And yeah, so let's go on with the motherboard now. This motherboard does support overclocking, just saying that real quick. It's an MSI A78ME35 micro ATX FM2 Plus motherboard. Motherboard is pretty decent motherboard for the price, so let's go on with the memory. Where the memory went with what do you call it? Oh yeah, the Crucial Ballistic Sport 8GB kit. Had this kit before and it works pretty well. So let's go on with the storage. For storage, went with the Western Digital Caviar Blue 1TB 3.5-inch 7200 RPM hard drive. This hard drive is a great hard drive for the money, and it'll store all your games, probably your whole Steam library. And so yeah, so let's go on with the video card. For the video card, went with the UVGA GeForce GTX 750 Ti superclocked video card. This video card is pretty decent video card for the money. Still does great even for today. So yeah, so for the case, went with the NZXT Source 210 Black ATX mid tower case. Has a pretty good look, in my opinion, and it's about $38, and it's not that bad. For the power supply, I went with the UVGA 500W 80 Plus Bronze Certified ATX power supply. This is like the one in my last video, except this one is 80 Plus Bronze instead of just 80 Plus Certified. And has better, I believe has a longer warranty, and so yeah. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, please like and subscribe. If you didn't like this video, dislike it. And if you liked it, like